What are some common triggers of sinus and allergy symptoms?
Sinus and allergy symptoms can be triggered most often by season. So if you're having issues, only in the spring or the summer or the fall, that would be suggestive of it being more, allergic. If you're also dry air, it can be very irritating to the sinuses as well. So sometimes in the winter months, you can require like a humidifier in your room, doing like a little intranasal Vaseline. More moisture can be helpful as well.
Sinusitis. We know how to treat it.